The death march begins. Hiking into the furnace of the deserts. The fiery furnace. Oh, where she brought us. Man, cooking. So, which way do you want to go, left or right?
Right.
Okay. Of course, they probably have this log here for a reason.
Maybe.
Maybe. Yep. Yep, we've got two trails. Your choice. So I asked Brandon and he said to the right.
Oh.
Yep. Which way
This
do you
one's
want?
shady, so I like this one.
That's why I chose it.
Shady. Shady like your personality.
Huh?
Your shady dispositions. You slipping?
A little bit. And then I slipped again.
Choice upper or lower? I'm going lower. You can take the upper.
It's a little slippery. A little.
I'll just get a regular backpack. This thing sucks. Let's see which way she took. I don't see her.
That went a little faster than I was thinking.
That was graceful.
Atlanta, what did I get us into, I say?
The fiery furnace.
This rock helps us. Step on that one over there. Here, I got it.
Tyler's already starting a landslide. Here's their overlook.
Two more trails.
Multiple choice.
Yep.
So, left or right?
Left.
Left seems steep. Right seems better, actually.
Okay.
That's juice left.
And actually, there's a trail right down here.
I see a whole lot of footsteps in that sand.
Oh yeah.
I'm thinking that might be the original. Actually, it might be along that little ridge, the normal trail.
I can check every few minutes if you like.
Yeah, that'd be good. You have your Wi-Fi off so that it'll.
Nah.
You have to go down to the left.
Yeah,
Watershed area.
it is. That might be easier.
Actually, over here isn't bad looking.
Okay. Just a little footstep there.
I see that. That's kind of handy.
What does Jess think so far?
She hates her life right now.
Nothing.
She says it'd be
What is-
really nice to actually not hike all the time on vacation.
What does Tyler think so far?
That's alright.
It's right.
It's very interesting in here. Because you guys will never have to do this for the rest of your life.
Unless you want to later.
Been there, done that. Remember it. Don't need to do it again.
Seems like it.
It's not really that hard of a concept. To get at it, you completely know. Put it originally already heard.
Explore. That's what he means. Have fun.
You can kind of see how they contradict each other though. It's like
Yeah.
you're literally there's no
all of this
trail.
drainage, like there's a lot of it.
I mean, stuff like this, yeah, this is very obvious if you look up to your right that there is not a path, that you shouldn't go on that. But there are a lot of places that are not obvious.
So, that in mind, do you want to follow your arrows or bang a right?
Right, looks like, well, I don't know, I guess it might look kind of all the same, but if we went that way, we could just go and then come back. And then it's not like things are posted dead end. Like,
Nope, you find out when that's a dead end. When the rocks make it so. That's when it's a dead end.
that is slick.
I hear voices ahead.
Once you put your foot up there, then it's crazy how balanced you feel.
It makes like a huge difference. Oh, I'm Oh, that's nice
But then
of
somebody
someone.
crossed it off.
Oh,
And then that would be confusing.
It is very confusing.
it's nice in here.
Yeah, this isn't bad. Oh, these waterfalls are awesome.
Mm-hmm.
An arch
An arch.
and a crevasse.
Crevasse arch. Oh, look at that. A crevasse arch.
Oh, there's an closer down here. Light above.
There's no way that's I mean, there is a path. That's probably
Oh, you're looking for the main path?
Yeah,
Okay.
because this is a dead end.
Yes,
That was really cool down there.
it was.
little area where people were back here. I wonder what's back there.
Oh, cool.
Okay, gotta go home now.
All the way home?
Yeah, that's what.
And then what? Lay in bed?
Go to sleep.
Why?
Just why not?
Huh.
I think this is actually
Yeah.
the right order.
All right, you have to think thin on this one. Hold it there, kid.
Oh, think thin.
Back up.
Suck it in.
I don't know what you're
Oh, I think he's trying to get
Yeah.
himself in the shot. So
Yep.
just hold back.
So hold back,
Yeah,
one at a
just
time.
wait.
All right,
Wait.
ready? I'm going.
One person at a
And
time.
If my backpack will even fit. There we go, next.
Oh wow, there's gonna be some bigger people that won't be able to do this.
You know it's being recorded, right?
Yeah. Well, I mean, whew, I'm gonna really have to suck it in on a few of those spots.
Even I'm struggling.
Yeah.
You can do it.
Well, you turned. You shouldn't have turned like that.
Next.
Oh, brother. Nothing like testing out your. Plus, you're going up. So you have to step, but you can't do it. Should not have worn my white shirt today.
Yes, you should have.
What was I thinking?
You were thinking this was going to be awesome.
Oh my gosh. Oh, there's a handhold right there. How do you step up when you're walking sideways? I'm not a crab.
She's got crabs.
That's fine. Dad has to do it again.
Yeah.
And then again.
And again.
Oh, brother. Testing out your. Plus, you're going up. So you have to step, but you can't do it.
You can take a shot.
Should not have worn my white shirt today.
Yes, you should have.
What was I thinking?
You were thinking this was going to be awesome.
Oh my gosh. Oh, there's a handhold right there. How do you step up when you're walking sideways? I'm not a crab.
Can be.
She's got crabs.
Whew, that was something all right.
So what?
Easy.
Jess should fit through there easy too. She's all skinny.
Best part is Dad has to do it again.
Yeah.
And then again.
And again.
Oh gosh.
Do you want me to hose you down, Jeff?
Go ahead.
Okay. Keep on coming, you guys. We're gonna be
You need to know your channel. Wait. Anything with the word with Steve. Okay, got it. Yep, Steve. Steve Irwin. Crikey. There we go. We got it. Yeah.
That's pretty neat though. Oh, there you go. You're gonna have to walk on the edges. Well, maybe. I don't even know.
I'm doing it.
Okay.
That's awesome. I love it.
See if he fits in there.
It kind of looks like he's in a giant butt crack a little bit.
Yeah. And he's the poo.
I mean, I'm just saying.
Hey,
It's
Jess,
just
are you
what
hungry?
it looks like. Oh, the breeze
Yeah.
feels really good though. This
Yeah,
is
chug
actually
some
a nice
water.
little
Have a seat on the bench.
Find
We're
a
gonna
nice
rest for a bit.
curvy spot too. It's actually super comfortable.
Yeah. It's bench.
There's a rock here if you want a foot rest.
How are you gonna get down?
Same
Yeah, that's the part I was worrying about.
Oh,
He'll
let's see
get
if
it figured out.
let's see if my fat arse can fit through the crack.
I'm gonna record it. Should I GoPro it? Oh, Brandon's GoPro.
Yeah.
I feel like if you can get in, you can get out.
Oh yeah. Unless you get in and get stuck.
Mm-hmm. Hang on.
Why?
I'm trying to see something. I think it might be way too tight for you.
What
fat's
supposed to mean?
Are you calling your dad fat?
Yeah, basically.
Oh, this feels so good.
Is there something in there?
More crack.
Nice. It might not be worth it.
Oh, to your dad, it's always worth it. Always.
Yeah, I can't make it up.
Why not?
I can't really get any like traction for that, so.
Mm-hmm. Want me to put my foot underneath your foot?
Yeah, you can't go in.
You can't?
Yeah,
Nope. Peter's out.
Nice grip. Wow. Oh, it's actually not that bad.
Yeah. And it's probably this to the left. Though it looks like lots of people have stayed up on top.
Understandable. I would have.
Yeah. I get it too.
Oh, yeah. I like that.
Everyone good back there?
Yep.
Cool.
Better when I saw this path.
Yeah. Little foot carving up.
I know. You might want to hold up there at the foot carve out and make sure this goes through. And it does. We're good. Yeah. We've got 3 steps carved into the rock here for people that want to go up.
Guess I'm going back down. There's
Oh.
no reason to go up.
You might want to hold up there.
Oh.
Yeah.
I guess it was under. I guess not.
It must be, I'm gonna take a look from the top there. It must be over yonder. Let me look again. It's like a sauna in here.
It is. But dry.
It's a dry heat.
Well, it looks like we're going to be in the shade very soon.
I bet that crack goes all the way through.
Yep. Imagine all the scorpions we could have found in that crack.
Hmm.
Yeah, I could definitely get a pet scorpion.
Call them stingy.
Yeah.
Yep, that's the back side. You can go check it out real quick. Hey Mel, I'm gonna check out the back side of the crack real quick. No, you guys don't have to follow. Okay. Okay. Yeah. And I'm not sure if that's where it comes out or if it's right here. Judging by all the footprints. Oh yeah, this is it. Yeah. That's funny. I'll let you take a look-see.
Yep, definitely wasn't worth it.
Yeah, I know. Well, at least you wouldn't have to come back down.
Yeah.
Look at all the bugs.
dunes.
All the bugs.
Yeah. Oh wow.
Yeah.
That's it. That means like a face and then need a slapping or something.
Wow. Is it dead end?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
Cool, there's like a ton of rocks and stuff. And then we can walk along the bottom of that as well.
Jess saw the dead end sign and stayed behind.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah. So I was starting to get worried how long this was getting.
Babe, she's fine. She doesn't have a bad attitude because she doesn't want to do this. It's not like she's feeling terrible. Well, she probably is.
Yes.
But it's not a medical thing, it's an attitude thing.
Well, I still don't want to leave her behind.
Is this poison ivy?
Touch it.
The lobes of 3?
Tyler, touch it, find out. We'll do a test experiment.
I would definitely suggest it is.
They're all lobes of 3.
Yeah.
Doesn't look like poison ivy. Poison ivy usually has smooth out leaves. These have like sharper edges to them.
One way to find out.
it on your butt, Tyler.
It makes the best toilet paper. Huh. The breeze through here is nice.
You're wearing the jump. As always. What? Nailed it. This sounds hollow.
It is. Oh, she wants you to turn around.
Why? Oh.
Oh, I almost wore red today.
I know. We would have all been matching. My shirt's darker than yours, so haha.
Yes, haha.
You're not gonna hop down there?
Oh, so much cooler. Oh my Lanta. I don't think I can get this thin.
Come up here.
I'm gonna have to. It peters out too.
Just a sketchy little spot.
Well, that's when I hand you the camera. Nailed it. To the old man.
Very smooth.
The old man. Thank you. Oh yeah. Sunglasses probably will help the whole dark factor.
Maybe.
Yeah.
There's any bats in here.
Bats in the bat cave?
Look at those two rocks. They just came tumbling down.
Look who got trapped.
Just go up. I made my way around.
Yeah.
That's a little handhold right there.
Yeah. I know the sand makes you a little more nervous.
Yeah, it does.
Okay, cool. Oh, so you want me to record something good?
Record us parkouring.
Parkour should go down
Oh man.
from here.
Do you guys know that you can get back up?
Maybe.
Oh,
Parkour.
brother.
Probably not. That's how it gets fun, you know.
Yeah.
Parkour.
Parkour.
My option is jump to that rock or
Oh
go the
my
way you
god,
are.
this isn't a video game.
Yeah, it is.
Aim for the bushes.
Yeah.
You cannot jump to that rock.
Yeah, I can.
Are you thinking what I'm thinking?
I don't want to get hurt. Parkour.
Aim for the bushes.
Jump this side. There's even a couple little ledges to jump down.
That's
Oh yeah,
the
you could make
safest.
that.
That's actually further.
Parkour.
Parkour. Should I jump?
I could probably make it.
Yeah,
So-
I know I can make it. Can I make it without breaking my ankles? No.
Well, we can't get a helicopter to get you out, so
I just gotta drop a really long rope.
they'll just bang you off the rocks all the way up. Bink. Oh, sorry. Bink. Bink.
I'll
Yeah.
go down around this way.
All right. You have to yell parkour when you're doing it.
Parkour. Parkour.
Parkour.
Not parkour.
Whew. I know, it's not easy. Gotta get your cross handhold. Parkour. Oh, the end. Worth it.
How much you want to bet Jess is gonna get bored and come up? Parkour. Near. That rock.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You have to yell parkour before you jump it.
Yeah.
That's the rules. I don't make the rules. Yeah.
We don't make the rules, we just come up with them.
Yeah.
Perfect.
It's the only way you know it's parkour.
Perfect.
Yeah.
I guess the little rope would have been good.
There Tyler is.
Oh, well shit. There you go.
Yeah, that's pretty
Your
easy.
dad made that look pretty easy. Babe, if you hung out there, you could maybe grab his hand if you needed help.
Ew.
He's an inside kid.
He is an inside kid.
You're an inside kid, but you don't have to be.
Hey Tyler, do you need a handy?
No, I'm good.
Tyler's pretty buddy.
He has his moments, I
You
guess.
don't want a handy?
You don't want a handy?
Inside kid, but you don't.
You shouldn't understand what that means. Why are you
You
laughing?
gotta really bounce off with your
Science.
legs and hope for the best. That's kind of what I did down there. And luckily I grabbed on.
Are you?
There you go.
Here, I'll just
Perfect.
step on your hand so it doesn't slip.
Yeah, there. Perfect.
Yeah, that's a great idea.
Oh gosh, that's funny stuff.
Yes. Use the lack of grip to your advantage when you're sliding.
Slide
Use
down
the grip.
Slide.
Like a slide.
I was actually amazingly able to grip up. But then that was a nice handhold too.
Saw the path I just took.
I did, but I'm gonna do this.
Okay. This might be fun to watch. I'll catch you if you need it.
It's like not super grippy, but it's not like no grip. Woo! My butt is gonna be dirty when I am done.
It's actually not.
I think it's because other people's butts.
Yeah, cleaned it off first.
I'm not doing that that way. I'm doing
It's important to stay hydrated.
Something like that, yeah.
Dan's gonna have a lot of fun with this footage.
I don't know. It's
a
gonna be
lot,
very
though.
broken stuff.
It's a lot
Yeah.
of footage.
There's a ton of footages.
You missed the lizard.
Lizard Denelli.
Lizardo.
Lizzo.
That's reserved for the really big ones like the
Yeah.
Komodo dragon.
No. Yeah, I was gonna say it is because they're doing a separate thing. I see that one.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
There's a way over. Interesting.
I guess they do have little notches for your feet.
Yeah.
Babe, do you want to come help her?
Do you need help, Jess?
Yeah. Just in case her feet slips.
How about you?
I don't know. I guess it depends on if my shoes stay grippy.
All right. Wow.
I assume that way?
Yeah, I assume so too. Let me, judging by the gap there, probably.
Isn't this exciting?
That could be a dead end though. No like normal trees around here.
Yeah, we don't care about the people, we just care about nature.
We care about nature.
Damn straight.
About the trees.
That's called natural selection.
That's their whole premise.
We don't care about the trees, there's no borax here.
Exactly.
Bit of a crevasse. Maybe. A crevasse.
It's a fairly straight shot of a pathway. We do have one switchback.
Crazy how fast they
I know.
are. Such short little
They have to. The rocks are scalding hot.
Yeah.
I was expecting this to be
Jess, if you say parkour when you do it, it makes it look fun.
I don't know.
She's in the mood to do that.
Parkour!
That's why I was suggesting.
Could have gone from a higher point.
I could have.
A nice little landing zone
Landing zone, eh?
right over here.
Oh, parkour.
Parkour.
Parkour!
Wow, this is kind of parkour.
Yeah. You should be able to split across it or whatever you need to, but both sides are fairly flattish to where you're not going to go slipping down in.
Unless you're at a weird angle.
Yeah.
Just,
You can get closer.
Oh, Brandon, here. Just reach out for Brandon's hand, hon.
If you want.
So, I think you should. I think it'd make you feel better.
Okay, let's go for it.
There you go. Nailed it.
Okay. We'll grab onto Brandon's hand. Just
Yeah.
aim for that little skinny section. I know the right slant is a backup. Oh gosh. I'm not gonna attempt that.
Overshot.
I know. Okay, I'm gonna grab onto your hand first, and then. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Oh, easy peasy. Thank you, Brandon.
Oh yeah, we have a death wish by doing this.
Nah. Okay, half of you can drop down. I'm staying up. Your choice. I just kind of straddled it. Straddled the step, but you can also drop down to the sand if you want. It just gets into the bush if you do.
Oh, nah.
Yeah, I just
Oh,
straddled.
this, yeah.
Get across first.
Yeah. That looks like it's all worn. Well worn. There you go. If you slip in, I'll grab you.
Okay, I think
Back out.
Swing over.
As soon as you can swing on the sand, that's easiest. Parkour, you guys.
Oh, that breeze feels nice. Nice. Here's the arrow.
Help to swing your stuff around the back of you.
Found it.
Wait, where's the arrow?
Right here.
Oh,
Roughly where those holes are in the rock. Is this looking like the path through? Or is it a drop off?
it looks like
Well,
a little path, but
Let me look.
it can be deceiving.
Let me look.
Okay,
Because that might be it too, which I doubt.
I know.
It actually shows that it's lobbing to the right.
Oh, so up there?
Kind of does, yeah.
Oh.
Because if we keep going on that one, that's a... Or, let me look. Let me start walking. This area is pretty cool. All right.
I'm pretty sure when you get the permits out, it says you set your own risk. And
Oh, I'm sure of it.
yeah.
Yeah. You goat head. Goat head.
I think by this point, you guys, I think we're all kind of ready to be done.
Yeah.
Except for your dad. He's crazy.
I could do a couple more hours of this.
Oh, I'm sure you could.
Like 4. Couple 4. Yeah. It's nice that most of it's in the shade.
I know.
And it's a trail with a view.
Not supposed to have a view.
Well, it's got a crack.
Right here.
Yeah.
I might squeeze through it.
We're actually almost back.
Let's see.
We've got about a quarter mile, but it's a quarter mile of this stuff, so
Jess will fit.
yeah.
Well, there are some cutouts I can see, so that's good. This is weirdly easy. Like no steps.
Hey Jess, if you want me to, I can carry your water bottle so it's not slinging around all the time.
It's weird though.
Okay. Yeah, that's it.
Okay.
breeze feels amazing every time.
It looks like I might just go straight along the
Yeah.
rocky. Just right here is probably easier. No?
You don't have a fear of heights, Jess, do you?
I do.
Oh, you do? I wasn't sure if you still had that or not.
I was kind of thinking she did.
Well, Tyler's and yours, you used to have a deathly fear of heights, Brandon. Like to the point where this would be too close to the edge for that edge where I am. That's how afraid of heights you were.
And water.
Oh yeah.
When Uncle or Grandpa Rick tried to take you on his boat.
Oh yeah. Freaking out.
If I was in the water, I'd be fine, but it was just being on a boat.
An arrow any minute here.
Did he say they only have 20 for the whole entire
Now I'll pull out the map and start following. Recording the whole time again. Oh, the shade's gonna feel amazing. Oh yeah.
I feel like we can just hang out in here for a little bit and
Yeah.
get our body
Shade on the
temperatures
other
down.
side of this too.
There's what?
Shade on the other side too.
Okay. I need to start doing that every few minutes. This area is grand and unforgiving in the heat. We're probably triple digits at this point. And I'm working on a sunburn. Let's see if I still have a family left over, if they're all collapsed. Hopefully they're hanging out in the shade. It'd be really easy if you got turned around, if you were one of those people that got turned around easily. You'd easily backtrack on yourself. Man, I am dehydrated. If you're one of those people that doesn't have a very good sense of direction, you can easily get turned around on some of these and maybe even heading back the same direction you came in. Especially if things start looking the same as you're going through, or you're forgetting how far you went initially on your backtrack. All right, let's see if I still have a family. You guys all rested up? No. Sorry? Oh, back in the AC. Oh man, that slot looks really cool.
We're like miserable. And he's like, I'm gonna explore this dead end. Oh, look at that. I'm gonna go do that. And oh, and we're just like, we're literally gonna die of heat stroke.
We're all dying. Yeah!
Literally dying, and he's just having the time of his life over there.
Alright, let's get out of here finally.
I think this is the way out, right here.
No.
We just have to shimmy up that little crack and we'll be out of there.
I don't know about that.
Oh, okay. So if we just climb over this lobe here, that's actually the way out.
Well, we're not gonna do that. 'Cause
Oh.
That's what psychos do.
But that's
So-
the fastest way out. Ooh,
Well-
you see that rock teetering on the edge there?
Yep.
Think I can hit it?
No.
Oh.
Oh, we gotta
We
get
just
out
have to
of
get
here.
back to the car.
Get out of here. Ooh, even Brandon's hit the edge.
Annoyed that we're still here.
Even Brandon's wishing he never came.
Yeah. Yep, so you're following that one and then one distance there.
Let's get out of here finally.
Making sure we've got the clan. Taking the staircase of death. In the devil's heat. Down.
This should
Or
be
either way,
called the
either way.
devil's furnace.
Oh. No.
I'm gonna
Fiery furnace.
Fiery
Sorry?
furnace.
Oh, take a picture.
punch whoever releases as a trail.
This is a trail. I'd say this is definitely for the enthusiast only. People that absolutely love this stuff. Well, looks like we survived it. Barely. And we are on our way out now. Last little bit. See the parking lot here pretty soon. And Jess is ready to collapse. You okay? Yeah. Okay. Well, now you don't have a clean butt.
No.
All right, chug some water, Jess.